Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix battery icon not showing in taskbar on Windows 10. Okay, so guys, you can see that I'm on Windows 10 and in the taskbar here you can see there is no battery icon over here. Okay, and even if I click on this show hidden icons, you can see there is no battery icon. Okay, so how we can show it in the taskbar? Okay, so for that you need to go to this Windows 10 start button, click on that, and here we have the gear icon, settings. So just click on this settings, and guys, you can also come to this window. Let me close this by going to this search box, click on this and type settings, and here we have the settings app. Just click on that, and here we have the personalization. Click on this personalization, and here we have the taskbar. Click on that, and you need to scroll down, and guys, here we have the notification area, and here we have the two options, two links. Select which icons appear on the taskbar and turn system icons on or off. Okay, so just click on this turn system icons on or off, and we are on this window. And you can also come to this window. Let me go back, and here we have the find a setting. You need to type this turn system icons on or off over here. Turn system icons on or off. Here you can see, just click on that and we are on this window. And guys, you need to find this power over here, and you can see the toggle is off. Okay, so just click on this toggle to make it on. Next to the power button, you can see it's now on. And in the taskbar here you can see we have this battery icon appeared. Okay, and also you can go back and scroll down, and here we have the options. Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Click on that, and you can also come to this window. Let me go back and scroll down, and here we have this select which icons appear on the taskbar. You can type over here, select which icons appear on the taskbar. So here we have the option, click on that, and we are on this window again. Okay, so guys, here we have the option power, and you can see it is on here also. If you have it off over here, just make it on. So let me make it off. You can see the icon, battery icon disappeared, and it's showing in hidden icons. Okay, but we want to show it in the taskbar, so just click on this toggle to make it on. Okay, so you can see that we now have this battery icon appeared in the taskbar. Okay guys, so it's now done. Let me close this window. And guys, suppose if you tried this first method and it doesn't work for you, so how we can fix that? So you can try this second method. I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to get this run window. Okay, and you need to type this command devmgmt.msc. okay, and I will place this command in video description. You can check it out. So just type this command and then click on this OK button, and we are on this device manager window. So let me make it big, this window. Okay, and after that here we have the batteries. You need to expand this by clicking over here, and here we have the two options like Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. Okay, so just click on this Microsoft AC adapter, right click on that, and then click on this disable device. Okay, and just click on this yes button, and here we have the second option. Just click on this Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery, right click on that, and then click on this disable device. Click on this yes button, and you can see guys, we don't have any battery icon over here, even if I click on this show hidden icons. Okay, and guys, after that you need to click on this scan for hardware changes. Click on that, and you can see it's scanning, plug and play. Okay, so it's scanned, and after that you need to enable these adapters. So just click on this Microsoft AC adapter, right click on that, and then click on this enable device. So if I right click on this Microsoft AC adapter, you can see it's now enabled. And here we have the second option, Microsoft ACPI. So just select it, right click on that, and then click on this enable device. Okay, so it's enabling, and if I right click on this, you can see it's now enabled also. And here we have the battery icon showing in the taskbar. Okay guys, so these are the, and you can just close this window. Okay guys, so these are the two methods by which you can fix battery icon not showing in the taskbar on Windows 10. So please let me know in the comment section whether these two methods are able to fix your issue or not. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.